slugging, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dale in the bluegrass state of Kentucky on the Mirage mx-36hp3 by Ranger. Dale, you chose just the basic tune alignment and the dual phase coax, so we've got you all set up. Show you what we got. Our power all the way down, 25 watt slug, 1 watt all the way down. You got plenty of adjustability. 10 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 23 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 48 PEP. Alright, Mr. Dale, we'll get this out to you. Shouldn't be over a day or two trip to you. Should have you ready to go by the weekend. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.